Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how to use the Gmail on the website to reply on the message when you are sending the email in a group. Okay, so now here you can see here I have a test message, and this message I'm sending to two people. The first one I sending to myself, and the second one I sending to ted@gmail.com. Okay, so now when you do reply on the message to the to myself and also the ted account, so you go ahead to click on the reply to on. Okay, so here when you do the reply to on here, it will still keep the subject of this email is ted. Okay, and in case if you want to change the subject of this email to another name, so how to do it? Okay, so let's follow this video. By default, when you click on the reply or reply to on the message, so it will keep the current subject of this email. So in case you want to change it, you click on the reply to on, and in here you can see here we have the type of the response. You click on this one, and here it have a feature edit subject. You click on this one here. So after that it will open another pop-up of the message where you are able to do the edit the subject. Okay, I will adding new the subject. Okay, so send button. Okay, so now go to the my inbox here. So here you can see when you do reply on to the email and you change the subject either ted from the ted to the ted and that thing here. So it will sending another email with the new subject. Okay, cool. When you are sending the new subject for the email, but it still keeping the current content of the old email. Okay, so I think that's all for today, and after you finish this video you know the tip and trick how to do editing the subject of the existing email. It will be easier when you are using another third-party tool on the Windows PC, something like the Outlook or something like that. But when you do it on the web page, so this one is a tip for you. Okay, hope that helped, and feel free to let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later.